Click the Sales tab in Quick Launch sector. There are two types of sales invoice, cash and credit sales invoice. At first, we will discuss about the cash sales invoice. Click the Sales Invoice button from Standard toolbar or choose from the Main menu or Quick Launch sector. Sales Invoice module will appear. Click on New button. Invoice type combo box will enable. Select an invoice type. If select cash, then the customer's name text box will appear and you can write customer name manually. Customer will not be registered. In other hand, if you select credit, customer number text box will appear and you have to select customer from registered customer list. Input a registered salesman's number or select from list. Sales number are mandatory field. You can't save with empty salesman number field. A sequence invoice numbers will automatically be recorded. Invoice date also automatically record with invoice number, but you can put or change the date field manually or select from calendar button. Insert voucher number, PO date if any. Write an item number in product code column or select from the list. It is same process as goods receive entry. You can search by code or by item description. Minimum sales price will automatically appear. You can't sell less price from minimum price. For example, if minimum price is 50, you can't sell 49. Type 49 and press enter. It will automatically change to minimum price. But you can sell greater than minimum price. Sales invoice automatically deducts stock from their branch stock. Press insert key or serial number button for go to the next row. Total payable amount automatically sum and display in total amount text box. Insert the discount percent or total discount amount if any. If you have to make any service charge for this customer, choose additional charge item from the drop-down list and click Add to Invoice button for include item to the invoice. If it is cash invoice, insert the customer paid amount in paid amount text box. Refund amount will display in refund text box. When finished, click Save button for save or cancel the invoice. Payable amount for any credit customer. We can review by open the customer statement. Other related reports we will discuss in report section. Click the print button for print preview. Sales return. Open Sales Return module. Click the New button to make new return invoice. Select invoice type. A sequence invoice return number and current date will appear. You must insert a sales invoice number. Without sales invoice, you can't make any sales return invoice. When you enter an invoice number, only those items will be available for return what you sold under this invoice. You can't return more than sold quantity or quantity you already returned. Remember, returned quantity will add in branch stock. Click the Save button for save the information. Payment voucher. Click the Payment Voucher button or Voucher menu, then select Receive Payment Voucher or select from the Quick Launch bar. Prepare a payment voucher for your credit customer. Click a New button and select a voucher type. Select Credit Voucher for receive payment from customer or Debit Voucher for return payment to the customer. A sequence dynamic voucher number and current date will appear. Enter a customer number or select from customers list. Due invoices will display for selected customers and customers' current balance will display in current balance field. Input received number if any. Select payment type. If it is pay by check, check information area will enable, otherwise it will be disabled. Enter the paid amount in total paid amount text box and select the due invoice the customer want to pay. A customer can pay part payment on an invoice or full. He can pay more than one invoice at a time. If you can't detect the paid invoice, click the Auto Distribution button. Distribution automatically distributes the paid amount to the due invoice. Finally, click the Save button. Fully paid invoices are automatically removed from the due invoice list. If part payment is paid, it will show in paid amount column. Balance will show in balance column. It will still show as a due invoice and paid invoice removed automatically from due invoice list.